The initial autopsy for Braylen Noble's death has been released. Let me wait a bit until I see. Okay. I just want to read off the autopsy report to you. This was done by Lucas County Deputy Coroner Cynthia Beiser, Dr. Cynthia Beiser. The autopsy on Braylen Noble showed no anatomic cause of death and no gross evidence of trauma. Drowning has not yet been ruled out as a cause of death, but further studies and investigation are needed before the final ruling is issued. So no cause of death, no manner of death released, no gross evidence of trauma, and drowning has not yet been ruled out as a cause of death. Hi, everyone. So they're still waiting to do a toxicology as well as a microscopic test, which I believe allows them to test sections of the organs. And there's no time frame for those further results. It just depends on if there's anything in his system.